Hello YouTube. Most of you all are aware that there was a magnetopause reversal earlier this year on March the 12th, and this is the information that got scrubbed by NASA, and this is the event that took down the Magnetosphere reversal, and which hasn't come back yet. And I myself have been wondering, so was this just a one-time anomaly? Um, was it really just an error? And so I've been thinking about it. Um, I saw today on this video the disturbance reversal magnetopause. Does Saturn hold the key? I saw this comment down here by Mary Dunn 41, and so I went to the ISWA site and I was looking at the magnetopause, and so I went to the 29th. Every time I try to pull up the 29th, it won't let me. It pushes me to the 28th. And if you go back to March of this year, March 12th, you get the same thing, or actually it's the 13th. It's trying to pull it up now. See, it'll push you back to the 12th, actually the 11th. It's trying to go back there. It won't let you pull up the 13th, the date of the reversal. It keeps pushing you back. So unfortunately, I was not able to catch the reversal before they scrubbed it this time again, but it looks like this probably happened again on the 29th, because they won't let you pull it up. So maybe this reversal is not an anomaly. And I got a comment one of my videos of magnetopause weakening by 4-Star Maiden, and they said there was a similar blowing back on September 21st and 22nd. And so I recorded that. It didn't completely reverse, so they didn't block out the image, but if you watch this, it starts scrambling down on this side, and it looks like it wants to reverse. So I brought this up because it seems like there's been multiple events now where there's pressure coming from the backside, and it's no longer just a one-time anomaly. And it can't just be data error. That's the 21st. Here's the 2nd. The 20th. Well, at the end of the 21st and then the 22nd. You see all this backside pressure here, and then for a little while it'll scramble too on the 22nd. But you can pull these images up on ISWA, because the 22nd and the 21st of this month, there you go, they're not scrambled. So then the next question is, so what's causing all this backside pressure? And the closest correlation that I've come up with is I've gone through the 2-minute news, suspicious observers 2-minute news, and every day there's some kind of anomalous behavior. There's cosmic rays around the time. So that's the closest link. And some people say correlation is not causation, which is true. So I don't know. I mean, for me, I have basically four guesses. One is that the heliosphere is weakening and that it could be letting these cosmic rays in and hitting us harder. So I've seen articles about the heliosphere weakening. So that's just a guess. The second guess is that there's that ENA ribbon, and um, it's strong enough to turn back solar wind at us. So my second guess is it could have been a CME from a couple days ago that went all the way out to heliosphere, hit the ENA ribbon, and got thrown back at us. That's another guess. The third guess is there's an approaching object that's throwing out solar wind that is similar to our sun, to our sun. And then the fourth guess is it's somehow related to the pole shift. So I just wanted to show you that real quick, that it seems the magnetopause reversal in March wasn't a one-time thing. And I hate to I hate to um, quote somebody else, but like suspicious observers always says, if we keep our eyes open, especially for this thing, it probably will help us a lot. So that's all I had real quick. Thank you for watching.